Welcome back, YouTubers. We're back with another video. Today we are working on a 2008 Mercedes S63 AMG, and we are doing the motor mount. So here's the new one. OEM. Check out the description for the part number. I'm gonna put a link on there. So first step, jack it up. So let's get after it. Alright guys, so we got it jacked up. We got the jack stand supported. So the next step will be I think this is going to be the hardest one. So we're going to go a little leak here. Oh, here's the motor mount right here. That shouldn't be too bad to get out, so hopefully we could get it. We got to remove the AC compressor. Hopefully it comes out through here, so let's see what's going on. So first steps first is take that shield off and loosen the transmission mount, and the next step will be there's one here for this motor mount and one on that side for the motor mount. Then we got to jack that motor up and hopefully we can yank this sucker out. Let's see what's going on. So the shields, they're all 8 mil. So let's take this off and then loosen the transmission mount, and then these. This looks like maybe a 14. So let's check it out. All right, guys. So we got so it's actually a 13. One there. One there, and then 3. Let's see if we can see on 3. We're gonna be right on the, you'll see them right there in the middle of the rear transmission support bar. After that, just jack it up. Let's see here. Hopefully. So now we got room in here. This one, you can see it, guys, it's a goner. So now next step is taking the top bolt off. So let's see, maybe get it from here. Let's check it out. Let's see. Yep, so after that, just come back from this rear and I'm gonna feel around and see what kind of bolt it is, but let's see. I'll let you guys know right now. Alright guys, so the top is gonna be a 16. There's the old one. The old one I was able to get out from the front, but now the problem is trying to get the new one in, because the new one's way taller. So I couldn't get it through here. I'm gonna have to move the. I'm gonna go through the back, see if I can maybe get the back done, but the top of it is gonna be a 16, and I ended up getting it with a short. Oh, thank you guys. I ended up using this one for the mount. Got in there and got it off. 1/2 inch, 16. Yeah, I used the 16 mil for that one, but pretty much this concept. Had a little angle on this and ended up getting it. But let's work on putting that one in. Let's see what happens. All right, guys. So we got it in. That's the new one. That cover really kicked my ass, got me frustrated, so I just left it out. This is my personal car, so if it affects anything on that motor mount, I'll just do it again and put it on there or something. But pretty much I just raised it all the way up. I just went through here with it. I did loosen this. It moved a little bit, but not too much, but I just kind of wedged it through here. Lifted the motor as high as I could. And yeah, so that's how I got it in. I did loosen the back too. So I gotta put that back. I tightened up the top. Where's that? Tightened up the top. I was gonna go through the back right here, but this heat shield right here was kind of kicking my butt right there. So I ended up fitting right here through this hole. So that's the way you do it, guys. Hopefully this video helps you guys out. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure you guys subscribe. We're gonna have raffles every time we hit 1,000 viewers. So good luck, you guys, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Welcome back, YouTubers. We're back with another video. Today we are working on a 2008 Mercedes S63 AMG. And we are doing the motor mount. So here's the new one. OEM. Check out the description for the part number. I'm gonna put a link on there. So first step, jack it up. So let's get after it.